Hi, I'm Elysia Stobbe, your Mortgage Millions mentor, and I want to talk about 3 reasons why now could be the best time to double down in your loan officer origination business. I'm Elysia Stobbe, your Mortgage Millions mentor, and I help mortgage loan officers make twice the money in half the time with systems and efficiencies that allow you to leverage your money-making activities. So let's talk about it. It's a hard year right now. I'm not telling you anything you don't already know, right? It's tough. Some LOs are crushing it and some LOs are getting crushed. You know it. Look around your office. Talk to your realtors. I think the initial estimates for 2022 was that we would see a 22% decline in business in origination. The latest numbers are 33% of mortgage loan officers will leave the industry in 2022. It's tough, but I've got some good points for you. So it's March of 2022. Pay very close attention because it's actually a really special time to be a loan officer. I know other people are complaining about rates are high, inventory is low, you can't get offers accepted, but I'm here to tell you why right now is actually the best time to double down on your business even more. So the first reason is the loan officers and branch managers that win in this environment dominate the future. How can I say that? Because I've already been through it. The crash of 2007, sound familiar? That's when I actually was pretty much a rookie. I'd only been originating loans since 2003, right? So 4 years into it, I still had so much to learn. However, when I looked around my office in 2007 and the sales manager stopped coming into the office and the other loan officers stopped coming into the office, and I was the only one there, I wasn't getting a ton of deals, but I was surviving. That's when I chose to double down and I opened my first branch. And as we came out, it was tough anyway, but I was like, if I'm the only person in the office working, I'm gonna have my own office. That's for sure. It's me and the receptionist there. That was it. But as we came out of that recession, I dominated the market because I was there when no one else was. I still called my realtors when no one else did, whether they had business or not. I learned all these tools and tips and tricks. A lot of them I still share with you guys today. A lot of them I've refined and changed. They're even better systems now. And those relationships that I built during those tough times are stronger than ever. So those who win in this environment will absolutely dominate in the future. So my second reason why doubling down it might be a good idea to double down now is this environment is actually an amazing opportunity to stand out. My first sales job was actually sales. And I learned then that it actually takes very little effort to be above average. And if you're above average, you stand out. And if you're above average, it takes, again, very little effort to be outstanding, the literal meaning of the word, right? To your realtors, to your strategic referral partners, and amongst the competition. And if you're outstanding, you're definitely in a position to win. And it's interesting because I was reminded of this morning. Amazing. So very kindly, somebody invited me to be in a networking mastermind for real estate and mortgage loan officers. And I thought, okay, it's an elite group. I'm like, okay, I can always learn something new, right? The minute I think I don't, or I can't is when there is a problem, right? Hopefully you guys know that lesson. So I was open to this, and it's interesting because there's a branch manager who runs it. And so I said, thanks for the invite. I'd love to join. Can you tell me when you guys meet? And can you send me a calendar invite? So the email I initially get is just with their contact information. Now, this is somebody who's fairly successful, making at least 6 figures. You know that that was pretty easy to do over the past 2 years, right? Not so much moving forward. So again, I replied to the email, like the initial conversation we had was via Facebook Messenger. So I replied to the email and asked for the same thing. That sounds interesting. Can you send me a calendar invite and or let me know the details of when you meet? And they reply and said, oh, we're actually going to meet next week. That was it. And I'm thinking, how does this person run their business? Right? And this is not about making the other person bad or wrong or anything, but clearly they are too busy and they don't read the email fully, right? Attention to detail. So again, I get, can you send me the details? Then I got a date for this week, but still no time and no calendar invite. I don't know if we're all going to be on a conference call. There's a bridge or a Zoom call, I would assume, but there's no link. And now we're on the 4th email. And obviously, by the 2nd email, I was like, I don't think this is for me, right? But anyway, the whole point I say is this environment is an amazing opportunity to stand out, right? This person, the likelihood of them actually growing their business in this environment is very, very slim. And I don't say that to be mean or judgmental. I say it because if this is how they communicate with their clients, remember hey, it's not like I'm chasing them. But if this is how they communicate with their clients, their realtors, their strategic referral partners, their team, like their processors or loan, I can't even imagine how inefficient that branch is. But if this is the way they're behaving, basically, if you just read your email, if you're this guy's competition, you just read your emails and reply appropriately, right? It's this much effort to go from average to outstanding. So take advantage of that. That's reason number 2, why now could be the best time to double down in your loan officer business, because the competition that is out there has been working with all the low-hanging fruit over the past 2.5 years. They're not going to survive. Oh, goodness. So number 3, this is a great opportunity to take the time to sharpen your skills, right? If you're a master at VA loans, maybe you want to try and learn construction to perm. If you're a master at construction to perm, maybe you want to take the time to learn lot loans, right? If you're a master at FHA loans, maybe you want to learn FHA rehab loans, right? Whatever it is, pick a skill just every quarter or every month if you want to be an overachiever, but even just once a quarter. Pick something that you want to learn and become an expert in that, and then share that with your strategic referral partners, right? Now's a great time. Well, everybody else is falling to the wayside and tripping over themselves because they can't sell rate. The rates are the rates. People are still buying houses. It is what it is. It's a great time to knock your competition out. So take this time to sharpen your skills. And last but not least, share this with a loan officer who needs it. If you know a loan officer who's frustrated, if they feel overwhelmed, if they're having a tough time, and they're really great at being a loan officer or a branch manager and they're an asset to our industry, please share this video with them. I'm Elysia Stobbe, your Mortgage Millions mentor. Please smash up that like button. Share this video with somebody who needs it, right? It's a tough time right now. These are 3 great reasons why now could be the best time to double down on your loan officer business. Please subscribe to my channel, put your comments below, and I'm happy to answer them. Cheers to your success.